You say you have anxiety. Your chest feels tight. Your thoughts won't slow down. Your heart feels restless. But what if your anxiety isn't random? What if it's a reminder? Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam, and you're listening to the Tawakkul Path, where we don't ignore the storm inside us, we understand it. First, understand this clearly. Not all anxiety is spiritual. Some of it is psychological. Some of it needs therapy. Some of it needs medical help. Islam does not deny that, but sometimes that heaviness is your soul trying to speak. For example, you delay Salah again and again. You say, "I'll pray later," but later never comes, and suddenly your heart feels unsettled. For example, you know a sin you're repeating. You tell yourself, "This is the last time," but it isn't. And inside, guilt grows quietly. Or you've been far from Quran for months, no dhikr, no real dua, but you expect inner peace. Allah says, "And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed life." Notice something powerful here. Allah connects distance from Him with tightness in life. Sometimes anxiety is not a punishment, it is an alarm, like your body telling you something is wrong. Your soul does the same. It whispers, "Come back." When you sin, your heart darkens slightly. When you ignore prayers, your heart weakens slightly. When you forget Allah, your heart dries slowly. And then you say, "Why do I feel empty?" Your anxiety might not mean Allah is angry with you. It means Allah misses you. Subhanallah. So before you drown in overthinking, ask yourself gently, when was the last time I truly remembered Allah? Not just with my lips, but with my heart. Maybe your anxiety is not there to destroy you. Maybe it is there to guide you back. This is the Tawakkul Path, and sometimes the storm inside you is just Allah calling you home.